Idan from Artemis Locksmith just made a key for a 2020 Infiniti Q50. This is the car. Still in the bag. Unlock. Lock. I'm gonna unlock it. Open the door. The key has been programmed. Press once. Open the dashboard. Press on the brake. And at the same time, press on the start button. Car is on. Everything works perfect. One more thing. I'm going to test. Lock the car twice. Test to make sure trunk opens. It does. I'm gonna lock it one more time and we're gonna test this remote start. Beautiful. Now we're gonna give it to the customer. Thank you.